Well, hi again, everyone. The perfect day, as Aaron Baker points out, to play with the bubble machine.
She
with
had the
Avery.
bubble machine out there, just having fun all day, all morning.
What a day for one. Gorgeous. I mean, tomorrow, another day. I think the parks and the trails are going to be packed tomorrow morning, so you might want to get out a little earlier. Mold spores on the high side today, so if you were sneezing, sniffling, that's why. They'll be cranked up because of the rain here recently. But what I'm tracking is this high-pressure system here, essentially centered over Iowa. If you follow the arrows around it, remember, around a high-pressure system, you have clockwise rotation. Winds always flow out and away from high pressure. So that's what's essentially happening here, is they're just flowing in to northeast and east Texas. And this is less humid air up here, so that's generally what we're going to be experiencing for the next couple of days. I mean, it's absolutely just going to be gorgeous. We got a couple of great weather days ahead, but heat will return for the weekend. So if you have plans to be at the lake or a swimming pool this weekend, those are pretty good plans. Humidity is dropping. It wasn't the unpleasant level yesterday. It's now down to what we would consider humid as these dew points come on down. In fact, Sulphur Springs right now at 65. I expect this number to keep dropping, maybe even into the upper 50s, lower 60s. And you can see that here on our current humidity map as you'll watch all of this just drier air kind of come in here. It's not excessively dry, but relative to this extreme humidity that it is. And then we see it starting to crank up just a little bit Thursday afternoon. There could be a few rain showers starting to pop back in here by Friday. So we'll go from humid tomorrow to maybe even comfortable for a time Thursday into Friday morning, and then it really ramps back up over the weekend. So we're back to that summer swelter Saturday and Sunday. And Friday, as warmer air comes back in, we'll have a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, but you can see it's pretty hit and miss, and the amounts are 1/100th to about 1/10. So we're not going to get a whole lot of rain here in the next week, but we will get a lot of heat and, of course, a lot of humidity at some point. All right, so tonight, just a few clouds. Remember, International Space Station overhead, 942 to 946. It's a quick pass, but at least I think the sky will generally be clear. It will also be comfortable as the humidity continues to drop. We'll have an east-northeast wind on the light side. Not too much concerned about patchy fog tonight, though I guess it's possible in some of the valleys and lower-lying areas. 68 in Jacksonville tonight. Henderson down to 69. Mineola, 73. Partly cloudy at Carthage, 69 in Center. Partly cloudy, 68, while Lufkin and Nacogdoches are also in the lower 70s. Here's your Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Just a beautiful summer day tomorrow. 91 for the high. Very nice still on Thursday. Maybe a few more clouds, 89. A couple of thunderstorms possible Friday, a 30% chance. And then that yields some hot weather here Saturday and Sunday as highs climb back into the mid-90s and overnight lows are in the mid-70s. And then early next week, seasonably hot. We're supposed to be about 95 and 75 this time of the year. We'll be right in that ballpark to start next week. We'll have another look at the forecast coming up at the bottom of the half hour.